I want to talk about your Ollie wedding because, honestly, it's so close to my heart to see that project. I mean, I have not seen so much, but whatever I heard, I was following it so carefully. It takes a lot of courage, I think, um, for to even give a suggestion like that to a client कि मैं आपके लिए like on a barren land I'm going to create everything that is needed
So
from rooms to everything.
there is more to it than meets the eye, actually.
Please बताइए.
And I never gave the suggestion.
Oh, you didn't.
I didn't. But I've been closely connected to the family for a very long time. And उनके यहाँ बहुत सारी शादियाँ हो चुकी हैं. So they've been to all the fancy palace hotels of the world in different parts, in 3 different continents for that matter, to do different weddings that have happened of the younger generation over the last 8 to 10 years. So I was actually in southern China, and I get a call from the family that आप कहाँ हो? मैंने कहा मैं यहाँ हूँ. बोले कब आ रहे? मैंने कहा परसों आ रहा हूँ. तो बोले ठीक है, नरसों सुबह हम लोग साथ में जाएंगे. आप नरसों कहीं कुछ और प्लान मत करना. उन्होंने बड़े हक से बोला बिकॉज हमारा रिलेशनशिप वैसा है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. सो हम लैंड कर गए एंड देन the day after morning we met at the airport, got onto their plane and moved to Dehradun. So Dehradun में हम उतरे and then we got onto a helicopter. मैं तब तक कई बार पूछ चुका हूँ कहाँ जा रहे हैं. बोले बताएंगे. So when we finally took off in the chopper, then I was told that we are going to Oli. I said okay. And why are we going to Oli? We are going to Oli to discuss something, but that's something I will tell you there only.
Oh, this was suspense built.
So, okay. So we reached there in about 45 minutes. We landed on a space that was created for helicopters to land. And तो फिर मुझे उन्होंने कहानी बताई कि यार हम लोग ना 2 हफ्ते पहले सब दर्शन के लिए 4 धाम के आए हुए थे. And their mother was also there with them, and they really look up to her. She is the patriarch of the family today. And तो ऊपर से जब दिख रहा था, then all of that region is absolutely fantastic. मतलब बद्रीनाथ, केदारनाथ, नंदा देवी, you on a clear day, it is so mesmerizing that you just want
The
to
view from the
stay
top,
plant
yeah.
there. And तो बोला माँ जी ने कहा यार अगली शादी जो है ना तुम लोग यहाँ भगवान की शरण में करना. वो बात मदर ने बोली और उसके 10 दिन बाद रिश्ता हो गया घर में. And so that whole thing in the minds was so strong that that's what the mother has wanted.
Yeah.
So, which is why we were standing there. So they gave me this whole background so that I am able to understand the importance of the sentiment.
Yeah.
And then I said, फिर इसमें डिस्कशन क्या है? अगर उन्होंने बोला है
बस करना है.
तो करना है. फिर यहीं होगा. तो बोले बट होगा कैसे? ये तो 30 कमरे हैं इसमें. और हम अगर बहुत भी कट शॉर्ट करेंगे हमारी लिस्ट तो हमारे 150 से 175 गेस्ट तो होंगे. So there was another block adjoining the resort at Oli which had been locked for almost 15-17 years. उसमें 10-12 कमरे थे. हमने कहा ये खोल देंगे. तो बोले ठीक कराने में भी तो टाइम लगेगा. And we are 28 days away from the शादी.
Are you kidding me?
So
I
my
thought ये
first
project
visit-
like बहुत ही लंबा चला था.
I visited this is the trip that I'm talking about, and the date of the wedding that's been decided. It's a 28-day gap.
28 days.
28
आपने ये
days.
गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में डाला है कि नहीं ये शादी?
नहीं हमने नहीं डाला because सोच के कुछ और गए थे, हो कुछ और गया था actually. So and then we said okay, we'll create a tented colony. And that's how the whole story started. So by the time we came back in the evening, it was a different story altogether because हमको पता था. So I knew what is now lined up. And but a lot of things about Oli we hadn't known till then. Logistical nightmare. हमको किसी ने कहा था कि ट्रकें जाती हैं ऊपर तक। सामान भेजना शुरू कर दिया, 4 दिन बाद तो पता चला वहाँ तो ट्रक जाती नहीं है, नीचे 3 किलोमीटर पहले रास्ता बंद हो जाता है। हमने क्या क्या किया है हम जानते हैं, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई कांट शेयर हियर, बट हमने सड़क तक बनाई है ऊपर ट्रक ले जाने के लिए। एंड इट इज़ बाय फार आई थिंक द स्मॉलेस्ट project that we've done in terms of number of guests, but it has been the most challenging wedding project that we've ever done in life, and